How to activate GPL WordPress theme without purchase code. Activating a GPL WordPress theme without a purchase code is possible, but only if the theme is truly licensed under the GNU General Public License. GPL allows redistribution and modification, so many developers release themes that don't require activation codes for basic functionality. So the first step is to go ahead and find a legitimate GPL theme. So you can use trusted sources like WordPress.org, GPLDL, WP-Null, and make sure the theme is labeled as GPL license. This means it's legally free to use. For example, this one, I want to download it. So you need to download the theme zip file. So once you've found your theme, download the zip file to your computer. And then after that, head over into the theme tab and then click on this upload a theme or install a new theme button at the top right of your screen. So in here, go ahead and upload your theme and then choose the zip file you downloaded and then click install now and then activate. After this, you can go ahead and customize your theme. So go to appearance and then go to customize and then adjust the site title and logo, colors and fonts, header and footer layout, menus and widgets. Keep it secure. So since you're bypassing license activation, you won't get automatic updates. So check the theme's original site periodically for updates and use a security plugin like WordFence to scan for vulnerabilities. And that is how you can basically activate GPL WordPress theme without purchase code.